4 makes the provision for a union judiciary. Article 124 deals with the constitution of Supreme Court, its composition, qualifications, and appointment of judges and their office. Article 33 and 129 to 145 of the Constitution give the Supreme Court its teeth. It is a forum of redressal of grievances and guardian of liberties, rights, and final arbiter in most of the disputes, not only between individuals but also between states, the union and state, or between an individual and the state. Article 144 commands all authorities, both civil and judicial, to act in aid of Supreme Court. As an appellate court, it can hear appeal from the high courts on civil, criminal, and constitutional matters. It also possesses a special appellate power to permit appeals from any tribunal, court, or high court. In the years that have followed after its establishment, this special jurisdiction has dwarfed all others. The court can now even review its own judgments. In its advisory capacity, it answers references by the President of India on any question of law or fact of public importance. Interwoven in these powers is a power of judicial review. The power to strike down such legislation or executive actions as may be violative of provisions or scheme of the Constitution or inimical to the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution.
There is some aura about the Supreme Court which has much to do with the Constitution itself, because the Constitution has, in my view, rightly prescribed that the final interpreter of the Constitution of India is the Supreme Court of India.
Since the ultimate goal of the Supreme Court is to ensure complete justice, it has the authority to pass any decree and order as is necessary for doing complete justice. The Supreme Court of India has the original, appellate, and advisory jurisdiction.
Discharging its duties in the most balanced manner, whereby balance is maintained between the judiciary, executive and the legislature, as well as in balancing the rights of the citizens vis-a-vis the government. I am proud of our Supreme Court.
So who are the people who fulfill these functions in the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court, since its inception, has been nurtured and served by the judicial vision of 41 Honorable Chief Justice and 150 Honorable Judges. The present strength of the Supreme Court judges is 31 Honorable Chief Justice leading a team of 30 learned judges.